Hello coders, developer, educator and tech professionals. The world of coding is changing fast. AI assistants are shaping development future. But they have introduced a new critical problem. Undetected buggy AI generated code. Are you spending hours queuing, hunting for those hidden errors? Are you worried about the quality and security of the code you deliver? Well, we all love speed AI offers. That speed comes with risk. You need a way to harness the power of AI without sacrificing code quality or your professional reputation. You need to know exactly which part of your code base were written by a machine. Let's meet CodeSpy.ai, the exciting new build especially for the challenges. CodeSpy.ai is not a coding assistant. It's your AI code detector. It precisely pinpoint and highlight code that was generated by AI models, bringing clarity and control back to your team. And it works right where you need it. The supporting languages you use every day: C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, all these languages are supported by CodeSpy.ai. Let's start and see some action. For that, first we can register, and here just we need to put name, email ID, password, confirm password, and then just register it. Since I have already registered, so I click on login. From here I can just log in it. Now once you log in, you will see this kind of dashboard, and here I'll just click on new AI scan. You can also create project, and based on that you can arrange your code. Now I have here written two different programs. One program which is completely written by AI. Select all, copy, we'll go here and paste it. Now you have to choose the language. So as you can see, Java, mixed code, Python mixed, JavaScript, TypeScript, C#, PHP, even C++ code also supported by CodeSpy.ai. I'll click analyze. It's simple and quite fast. Now you can see here it's saying 98 out of 100. That means 98% code is written via AI. This code appears to be AI generated. Our analysis suggests that there is 98% chance that the content you entered was written by AI. And so you can see here all this is just code, but that this is 98% code written. Similarly, I can just go here back to report, and I will choose another programming that I have written here by myself. So I'll just copy it and paste it here. So you can see that here all the things are available. You can just expand it and see all the codes. It's Java written, so I'll just click analyze for this code. It will take few seconds, and now you can see only 2% code might be written by AI. So our analysis suggests there is 2% chances only. So this code is perfect, and we can rely on this type of code. Here it doesn't rewrite or fix mistakes, because the bugs should be fixed by a human coder. But it tells you exactly where to look and what's the problem in that code. Why this is crucial? An award-winning study at Tandon School of Engineering at NYU highlighted the danger of unweighted AI code. They found that AI generated code is often outdated, includes error that cause memory malfunction, sometimes even talks to database that no longer exist. By quickly identifying AI part of your code, you are looking precisely where most of the bugs will be, letting you fix those mistakes faster. So here if you see, CodeSpy provides different plans. For a small software consulting business, plan is consultant. If you are a team of 1 to 4, you likely use coding assistant for speed, but every minute spent in quality assurance is a minute you are not billing. This product allows you to quickly spot the error and fix that buggy AI generated code. Remember, it will just suggest, it will not fix any code. Same thing for medium sized business. We have a small businesses up to 50 users. You can use a small business plan. Now here, the CodeSpy AI acts as your essential QA tool. It provides accountability during the quality assurance cycle by revealing which part of the code a developer allowed the AI to write. This helps engineering manager mitigate risk and ensure compliance. But there's an even bigger reason to use it. The industry is changing. Given the concern over AI code include security risk and outdated libraries, many software firms are started to add contract clause that how much AI code can be generated. A subcontracting firm, you need to be aware of your AI code uses before you submit your product. CodeSpy AI gives you the visibility to stay ahead of the curve and avoid costly litigation. So stop losing and hunting for hidden bugs. Start gaining confidence and effective and efficiency by knowing exactly what is in your code. CodeSpy doesn't just scan code. It safeguards your quality, protects your reputation, and accelerate your business. Visit CodeSpy AI today to choose the plan that's right for your team, from consultant to mid-size firm, and start mastering your code. Even you can use CodeSpy AI and integrate with your Visual Studio Code. It will quickly scan all those things. Even you can integrate with GitHub. You can integrate with ChatGPT as well using explore ChatGPT part, and then you can using click explore GPT, and then you can select CodeSpy. And here few demos that you can see from here. If you found this valuable, please like this video and share with your fellow engineering manager or developer. Let's make the entire coding community smarter and safer together. Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe the channel as well.